What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it with a brand new sneaker pickup review, whatever you want to call these videos. Managed to grab a pair that came out Friday, I want to say Friday, Saturday. I personally thought these were dope. Dope shoe, dope colorway, and yeah, pretty much just went for them on a Nike Snkrs app, and I managed to grab a pair in my size, and that's what we're gonna be looking at today. So here we have the box. It comes in this pretty unique box. Has print all over, as you guys can see. These are the sides. This is the tag. Quick look. There's like just pictures of LeBron James. These are a pair of LeBrons. This is the bottom. Just a whole bunch of pictures of young LeBron, his school he used to go to. But we're here for the shoes, not the box. Dope box. Pull these bad boys out real quick. My first time seeing these, and goddamn. Nothing else on the box, just the tissue paper. And one thing I did notice, this is friendship, loyalty, trust in English and 2 different languages, with his LeBron James 23 logo right here when you open up the box. Boom, right there. That's what it says, if you guys want to read that, which is a dope touch. The first time we seen this shoe, I believe, is when he went to the Lakers and he was taking photos in his uniform. Nike made him this shoe so it would go with his uniform, and you know, the internet went nuts a bit because the colorway was dope. And then a couple months later, a year later, Nike decided to release these, and bruh, these are clean. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the right shoe. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, we're talking about the LeBron 7s, the Laker colorway. Starting off with the right shoe. These are the LeBron 7s in the Laker colorway. People are calling these the Media Day. So this is the right shoe. The right shoe is purple, as you guys can see. It's just your standard LeBron 7. If you guys had pairs back in the day. Yeah, purple. We have a white swoosh with yellow highlight around it, and then we have your LeBron James logo right here on the side. Boom. And then on the inside you have the L23 with the crown. You have a smaller white swoosh inside here. Your midsole is white. Obviously has a air bubble, and the air bubble actually has yellow like splatter paint. You guys can see that right there. Beautiful, nice touch. And obviously LeBron 7s have these like white lines, kind of looking like a grid on it. And then your toe, it's this nice white soft leather. So you guys can see it's nice and wrinkly. And then your bottom, gold and purple, yellow and purple on the bottom right there. Your laces, the right laces have yellow laces with purple tips. Now onto your left shoe is pretty much the whole opposite color. Left shoe was yellow. Yellow, you have that purple, you have the white swoosh with the purple highlight on the swoosh. You still got that grid pattern going on. Midsole is still white. Toe box is still white leather. The inside is yellow, still have a white swoosh right there. The L23 is in purple instead of yellow like the other shoe. You still got that crown. And you still have the L23 stamp right here, but it's in yellow. And the laces on this pair is purple. Laces are purple with yellow tips. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not going to focus, but it's there. And then the air bubble actually has purple splatter on this pair. And then your inside is actually purple on this one. And then your bottom is gold and purple as well. And then, but they're kind of different. So they're like mismatched. They're like the opposite colors on each shoe. They're kind of like that What the LeBron Lakers pretty much. These are them together. Yellow side, purple side. Yellow laces, purple laces, same toe box. The bottoms are even different. And it says 23 right there, as you guys can see. One of them is purple, one of them is yellow inside. Man, these are just so dope. But yeah, let me know, did you guys go for these? Did you guys manage to grab a pair? These did sell out. Yeah, I'm just happy to have a pair in the collection. These are dope, these are fire. Definitely gonna be rocking these bad boys. But yeah guys, that is gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. More videos on the way. And yeah, make sure to follow me on twitch.tv/JMexMartinez. There will be a link down below. I pretty much stream on there every day. I play Call of Duty, so if you guys want to come chill, follow your boy, go ahead. I'll meet you guys over there. But yeah, other than that, I am out. Peace.